Google has finally revealed the availability date for the much-anticipated Pixel 9a after weeks of delays, technical difficulties, and complete silence from the company. Mark your calendars. The Pixel 9a will officially go on sale on April 10th in the US, Canada, and UK, followed by a second wave on April 14th in multiple European countries, including Germany, Spain, Italy, France, Norway, Sweden, Netherlands, Belgium, and more. Then, on April 16th, the phone will launch in Australia, India, Singapore, Taiwan, and Malaysia, with Japan also confirmed to receive the device at a later, unannounced date. Originally introduced with a $499 starting price earlier this month, the Pixel 9a was supposed to arrive with a broader April release window, but Google faced a last-minute component quality issue that led to delays and embargo extensions for reviews. While the company claims this problem only affected a small number of units, it decided to pause the release to ensure a smooth launch. Despite the hiccup, the Pixel 9a remains one of the most highly anticipated budget smartphones, promising flagship-tier AI features, a powerful Google Tensor chip, and an improved camera system that continues Google's tradition of delivering incredible computational photography at an affordable price. We'll be back with a full review around the official launch date, so stay tuned. If you're excited about the Pixel 9a, let us know in the comments. Will you be picking one up? Subscribe to TechVerse for the latest smartphone leaks, reviews, and tech updates.